YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This evening we had a horrific thunderstorm come through here in Dundalk, Maryland, Charlesmont area, 21222. There was 3 huge trees out back. Fortunately, lightning knocked down 2 of them. This is the aftermath of one of the trees took out of the gentleman's above ground pool. Closer look at it. Go ahead and like and subscribe. You never know what I'm going to post on here next. Charlesmont area, Dundalk, Maryland, 21222. Anyhow, this is the aftermath. Tree in his yard. Big lightning and thunderstorm here in Dundalk, Maryland. Catch you later and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.